A man accused of randomly shooting 3 people in June may be found incompetent to stand trial. Austin Benson's attorney made that assertion today in court. Benson had charges dropped in a remarkably similar incident in 2018 after doctors repeatedly said that he wasn't mentally competent. Kevin Vaughn from 9 News Investigates was in court this morning. He's now in the newsroom. And Kevin, this sounds a lot like a replay of that earlier case. Does anything change now?
Tom, potentially 2 things. First, if the judge agrees with the defense, it means experts will evaluate Austin Benson's mental health. And if that happens, it means a timeout in the criminal case while that process plays out. As Sue Johnson approached the courthouse on Monday morning, she knew what to expect.
It kind of is what it is.
Knew the attorney for the man charged with seriously injuring her daughter and 2 other people was likely to raise a new issue in his criminal case. Mental competence.
I was warned that this could happen.
Even so, actually hearing it left her feeling a familiar emotion.
Angry. Best way I can put it, angry.
Angry about today.
I was able to hold on to it today, though.
And about this.
He's unresponsive.
In July 2018, Douglas County authorities arrested Austin Benson after multiple people reported he'd opened fire on them.
Why did you shoot at me?
The case was eventually dismissed because he wasn't mentally competent to go to trial. That means he couldn't understand the proceedings or assist in his own defense. And she's especially angry about what unfolded the evening of June 27th in an Aurora neighborhood.
And we don't believe that the suspect knew any of these people.
The night Benson is accused of randomly shooting her daughter, Erin. Now there's no telling when or if Benson will go on trial.
I know they have legal things that they have to do. I understand that. But something has to change.
5 months later, Erin remains paralyzed.
And that's going to be for the rest of her life, probably. We're hoping not. We're hoping a miracle happens. She breaks down here and there because she can't live the rest of her life the way she wants to.
And yet,
she's glad to be alive. I want that to be well known. She's glad to be alive.
The judge in the case gave Benson's attorney until December 13th to file a motion requesting a competency evaluation. If the judge grants that motion, doctors will examine Benson and determine whether he is competent, and if not, whether the chance medication and treatment can help him. That process may play out for months or years. Live in the newsroom, Kevin Vaughn, 9 News.
I know this is a story you'll continue to follow. Thanks, Kevin.